Stop running on the dock, kid. All right, so here we are on the dock of Lake Powell. And come here, hold my hand. There's two little benches. Turn around. There's a boat ramp. This is Pirates Cove Inlet. Not really sure what that building is. But we were just at the condo. And there's two pools over here. You can go fishing off the dock. There's actually little lights on the dock too. It's brand new because a hurricane took it out.
What's this?
What?
Yeah.
It's a wall that's fallen down, like a seawall. All right, so now we're gonna walk back to our unit that we purchased. Oh, I like this little crab. What are those window shades
What's that?
on the windows? Here's the mailboxes. And then this is just like a grassy area. That green unit's for rent. Too. What? Here, you can run up there with the girls. I'm not carrying you. We just drove for 10 hours. You can walk. What?